Pretty good and quiet in here. And I thought he's got one of those wives or girlfriends. You know when you walk by a car, you see a woman going like this. There's a guy sitting there, and you shake your head and yeah, buddy, I've been there. Good idea of this stuff. I hate Ford, but I'm always working on them. And I'd be done to go buy one. This ain't got a computer on it. Well, I got the new power steering pump. I got a new power steering pump installed. I got the new fuel pump installed, which the old one, you see on the camera or not, it's all gunned up pretty good. I don't know what the difference is. It's huge, no one's not. I've got to run to the can over here. So, let's figure that should run on its own for once. Already primed it, and maybe not next electrical. Put my hand, blow myself out, give myself a fire. Not yet. Here we go. Or not go. Hopefully a couple cranks will start priming. Yes! Now I'm deaf. Ouch. But just a second, I want to start up doing it again. All it was a fuel pump. Me cranking in 2 videos. I never seen that before. I might distance something and get it cleaned out for a backup. Or buy another pump, which is 25 bucks. Cheap insurance. Do all new coolant system, new brake system. Well, I had to put a brand new line because there ain't one there. The tank, I don't know if it's new or not, but you can tell it's been a while. It's got gas in it. You look inside of it so it's clean. I put a brand new tank because I want maybe wiring issues, because wiring harness is like $1,000 bucks. It's like 5-6 wires. Now I'm gonna do this one more time and go even more deaf. But it's so fun to hear a rev. Have water in the block or something. Wow. 20-some years in, the carburetor's freed up still. It's at the back fairing wheel. It's loud. I'm deaf now. My ears are hurting. Well, now I want to go even more broke. Give me a aluminum radiator. Flush all this out. Put new hoses in. But you can get those silicone ones for 50 bucks online. I might as well do that and pretty it up underneath here. Either take these back off, get new ones, or paint them, sandblast them, paint them one. No matter what paint or chrome you get, they always do that. Man, that just shot me that quick. $25 well spent. For any oil leaks from this gasket. It comes with 5 or 6 gaskets for some reason. I only use one. Man. Well, this might be a short video, or I'm going to do the floors next. They vacuum it out, and they sand all it down, weld the frame rails to the car, and do some little bit of repair work. Put 415 down. I've already got the sound mat ready to go in it. I got some 3-inch MagnaFlow mufflers I got used on, say, face place. I'm not giving them credit. The 3-inch. Put some, maybe get some headers on this. Put some dual exhaust, maybe a crossover pipe. X-pipe maybe. Either dub it out the back or out the sides behind the doors. Something old like this, I want to be loud. Something in the interior, I want to be quiet-ish. Gotta give these old cars respect. When you go behind them, all you smell is gas. Instead of this converter. Could have hit the hood. Man, I can't believe that. I gotta do it once more. No matter how old you get, you're still a big kid. Man, that hurts. Right at the manifolds. I get this pipe here longer, so it'll go back in there. Try to find all the stuff's missing off this. Man, I can't believe that. Hey, I gotta polish things upside down. Now I got the vacuum cleaner plugged up. You're gonna listen to some cheap YouTube music as I work. Bleach, put in a bucket with some water. Washed all the old, let's call it mud out that I could. I'm gonna have to be sanding, priming. I'll pour 15 this floor and get done welding on it. Doing some repair work. Try to breathe as much dust as possible. But now I gotta go wash off the water of me. I've got it on my legs and everything. Ew.